बाहेर आणू नको. Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
I have sent you the graphs per assignment sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
One typical problem from that graphs I have to discuss, but before that, let me complete the graphs. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Till now, for all the graphs, we have taken time on the x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if I take displacement on the x-axis? This is v and this is the graph. I call this u0 and this angle theta is given. In general, for all such type of problems, first you will write the general equation of that graph. Now I am taking example of a straight line because you know the general equation of a straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is b is equal to tan theta into displacement plus u0. This is my general equation for velocity, rather information given in the question.
Yes.
Now they'll ask you to draw for acceleration displacement graph. Draw acceleration versus displacement graph. How do you do that? Now here I will differentiate this dv by dt is tan theta, which is the slope, into ds by dt. Differentiation of the constant is 0.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if differentiation of the constant is 0, acceleration is tan theta into ds by dt is velocity. ds by dt is velocity. These
dv.
substitute this. Tan theta into s plus u naught. ds by dt is velocity. I'm resubstituting that here. Acceleration is tan square theta into displacement plus u naught. U naught tan theta. Am I right? U
Yes,
naught
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
tan theta. Again, this is the graph for y is equal to mx plus c. You ask me what will be the shape of the graph for acceleration displacement? It will be a straight line. Only difference, now acceleration and displacement, this will be u naught into tan theta. And what will be the slope? Tan square theta. Slope of this line will be the value of tan square theta. Theta is the sign. Here theta will be different. Here theta will be different. Here tan phi will be equal to tan square theta.
But sir, it is a quadratic in tan theta, right? This tan square theta into
This is
s
a
plus.
constant. Tan theta is a constant, not a
Oh,
variable.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Theta is a constant.
Yes, sir.
So are you telling me this is the general procedure to be done always? Yes. When they give you displacement on the x-axis, please write the general equation. Right? Once you write the general equation, from that you need to differentiate or integrate will be decided by what this parameter is and what is asked in the question. You have expression for velocity. They are asking you for acceleration. You will differentiate the velocity, as simple as that. What if we give you acceleration versus displacement graph? I'll come to that after taking one more example on velocity displacement. Take it down, take.
Done, sir.
Can I rub the board?
So 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. So 1 second.
One of the students said this appears like a quadratic equation in tan theta. Theta is a constant. Suppose you want to avoid the confusion, right? Tan theta is m. So this will be m square and mu naught. So you can write this equation as m square s plus m into u naught. Now you know m is a constant.
Yes, sir.
Variable is the displacement, acceleration on the y-axis. Velocity displacement graph is given this way. This value is 5, this value is 10. I am assuming I am giving good numbers. I actually don't know. Let me take this value as 50, this value as 150. But make it 100. This is meters. Draw the acceleration displacement graph. AS graph. Draw AS graph. Will you try or should I discuss?
Sir, we can read. Yes, sir, wait.
Okay. No, speed is in meters per second. This is also in meters. No kilometers per hour.
Sir, the graph between 50 to 100 is a dotted one, no?
No, it's a straight line.
Oh, okay, sir.
This is straight line. That means velocity is constant.
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
Now, slope of the first part of the line is 1 by 10. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is velocity. Slope is 1 by 10. X-axis is s plus 5. Firstly, this equation all of you must have got.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I want acceleration from this. What will acceleration be? dv by dt. d by dt of velocity is s by 10 plus 5. This is 1/10 of ds by dt. This is 1/10 of ds by dt is velocity. S by 10 plus 5. So acceleration is s by 100 plus 1 by 2. Compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. Slope of the line is 1 by 100. Intercept is half. Your acceleration time graph, displacement graph will be like this. Intercept is half. Slope is 1 by 100. Till how much? Till 50. After 50, acceleration is 0 till 100. Why? Velocity is constant. Acceleration will be 0. So till the 50th second, the light will be much steeper than this. Here the steepness was 1 by 10. Less steeper, 100, less steeper. Ulta.
After one culture.
Slope is 1 by 100. From
Yes,
50 to 100, you are getting acceleration is 0.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in that y is equal to mx plus c, sir, that x should be 50. Means mx plus c, sir, x.
yes.
So 1 by 10 into 50, sir.
कहाँ पे?
So in
At the top, yes, sir.
yes, sir,
Why
just
am I
below
supposed to
that,
see the
sir. Yes,
center?
sir. 1 by 10 into 50.
वो
Tan
उस
theta
पॉइंट पे
is
It is
एक्सेलरेशन
phi
Because
बताएगा
now.
ना.
axis is displaced.
When x is 0, see y will be phi.
Date.
Wait, you're confusing me with tan theta. Oh, tan theta is this length by this length. What is this length?
Sir, 5.
10 minus 5 is 5. What
Yes,
is
sir.
this length? 50.
50. Yes, sir.
5 by 50.
Yes, sir. It's 1 by 10, sir. But it into so that
Into
x value,
5
sir.
he wrote. He's saying into 50.
Yes,
So
sir.
the y is equal to mx plus c.
What is
He's
the
saying.
x? X is the variable. X is the variable. It's the slope
It's
of
not
the line.
S.
This is yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
You differentiated that ds by dt. अगर constant value ले लिया तो क्या differentiate करोगे? Whatever is the variable on the x-axis, that is x. This is the
Yes,
intercept
sir.
on the y-axis.
Okay, sir.
Now somebody is raising about continuity and discontinuity. Let maths people teach you continuous and discontinuous functions. You will by default get answers for it. We didn't teach you continuous, discontinuous functions initially before introducing calculus. So wait till maths people do it. Maximum acceleration you can calculate from here. Put s equal to 50. S equal to 50, you will get the acceleration. That's the maximum acceleration.
So completed.
Sir, down. Sir, in the step where it is written A is equal to B S by 10 plus 5 by dt. Yes, sir. In the second step, I don't understand how did the 1 by 10 come.
I wish you were there in front of me. I would have made you stand upside down. Y is equal to 1 by 10th into x. What is dy by dx?
Okay, sir. 1 by 10.
कांस्टेंट बाहर लाकर इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया, फेयर इनफ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One thing I am missing a lot in these online lectures. किसी भी बच्चे को पनिशमेंट दे नहीं पा रहे. इन लाइव लेक्चर्स भर भर के पनिशमेंट्स देते, भर भर के. एक भी बच्चे को पनिशमेंट दे के.
हाँ सर, और बाकियों का एंजॉयमेंट भी.
हाँ, we are
So
missing
what
that
kind
concept.
of punishment?
मैं बहुत सारे impositions लिखवाते थे, एक एक स्टेटमेंट 10-10 बार बुलवाते थे, कान खींचने के लिए बोलते थे, खुद के कान खींचते थे बच्चे. We are missing everything.
So now also you can do
वीडियो
it.
चालू करवा के
कोई
करवा.
बच्चा a plus b whole square a minus b whole square पूछेगा तो उससे 10-10 बार रिपीट करवाते थे.
और आप अभी भी वीडियो चालू कर रहा है.
हाँ
Look,
सर.
have you ever asked anyone to write an entire
अभी चालू ही
derivation?
नहीं करेगा कोई.
Quite a few times I'm telling the kids to write impositions on some silly doubts that they ask. कोई भी नहीं भेजा अभी तक. अगले बार से they are taking advantage of the fact that I don't know anybody's name. I don't remember the students' names. That's a problem with me. I remember them by face, and now I don't know anyone by face. तो पूरा advantage ले रहे हो बच्चे. मेरे भी अच्छे दिन आएंगे, don't worry.
Yes sir.
मोदी राज में आएगी.
अच्छे दिन.
अब सुनो.
Sir, after how many months?
Let's pray it comes early. The third wave के wait कर रहे हैं लोग उसके होने के बाद. Meter per second square s in meters. This is 20. This is 100. Find the speed of the particle after it traveled a distance of 60 meters. Given at s equal to 0, initial velocity is 0. This is given. Find speed of the particle after it traveled displacement of 60 meters. And I am waiting for you. y is equal to mx plus c. Acceleration will be, slope of this line is 1 by 5 with a negative sign. See if you are convinced with this equation. Why did I put a negative sign in front of the slope?
Negative.
Negative slope. Pseudographing.
Tan theta is 20 by 100 minus 1 by 5. And you are asking me typically speed of the particle. So acceleration will be written as dv by dt minus s by 5 plus 20. Here you have to play it smart. Right hand side is a function of s. Left hand side I am getting with respect to time. You cannot take dt to the right and integrate, because this is a function of s, this is a function of time. Convert this in terms of distance. How? dv by ds into ds by dt will be
Into
minus s by 5 plus 20. ds by dt is v. dv minus s by 5 into ds plus 20 into ds. ds by dt is v. Take ds to the right. S by 5 into ds plus 20 ds. When displacement is 0, what did you tell me initially? Velocity is
Velocity is
0.
0.
When displacement is 60, you are asking me for velocity. Should not be difficult for you thereafter. 0 to v is minus 1 by 5 s square by 2, 0 to 60. 20 s 0 to 60. V square minus 0 by 2. 60 square minus 0 square by 2. 60 minus 0.
Sir, it will be plus 20, right?
It will be plus 20, right, sir?
Why did I write minus? My bad. Minus.
Sir,
Sir, what would the area under acceleration displacement graph represent?
ADS is not defined now. You will write integral ADS. This is not a defined quantity. No new quantity first.
so for the graph assignment, we had found this area to be v square minus u square by 2 and उससे सारे सब move
Yes, sir.
That will
Yes,
do.
sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are able to see that v square minus u square is 2as. If you are able to see this, you are bringing 2 to the denominator, I am okay with. But this doesn't have a need.
This works only
ADS
for
doesn't
constant.
Sir,
have a
won't
need.
it be the square of velocity or the change in velocity? Yeah.
Change in velocity is v minus u now.
Sir, so square
Square
of
of change in
velocity.
velocity by 2. It doesn't have a name. Bring it and use it as a mathematical tool, I am okay with.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but this
Sir.
equation v square minus u square equal to 2as is only for constant acceleration, right?
Yeah, naturally, so you will integrate. And a is a function of s. This side substitute here. I'm not going to bring a out of the integer.
Okay.
It is as good as this. Beating around the bush, you are at the same point.
Yes.
Go by this, you will be safer.
Sir, can you please send a small worksheet for integration and this differentiation, because बहुत सारे लोगों को ये याद नहीं है, I guess.
नहीं मुझे
नहीं
तो
सर
याद
ऐसा
है
नहीं है
याद नहीं है,
याद है
सब
मुझे
मुझे तो
याद है
याद है
मेरे को तो
ऐसे
याद
की
है,
क्या बोल
वहीं
रहा
से
है
याद है।
लोगों के बारे में
सर
बहुत
याद
सारे
नचवाओ,
लोगों को याद नहीं है।
कौन है ये बंदा, इसका नाम बोलो
सर
मुझे।
कैमरा खुलवा के इसको नचवाओ।
आदित्य।
हाँ
चल
सर,
हम भी देखेंगे
सर
हाँ
अक्षित अग्रवाल
अक्षित 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 अग्रवाल
हाँ
श्वेत
सर
अग्रवाल।
नाम भी मिल
सर
गया,
कैमरा चालू करवा।
पनिशमेंट।
सर नाम मिल गया।
सर पनिशमेंट
मिल गया, कैमरा ऑन करो भाई साहब आप।
सर सबको याद है कैलकुलस।
सर थोड़ा भूल गए।
See, I'll tell you one thing. Last year also we were doing online. Last year was the first time we were doing, because of this corona. It was a new experience for us. If last year we have put in X amount of effort, in your batch we are putting 3x amount of effort. Every subtopic we are giving assignment sheets. If you talk to your seniors, you'll know every chapter we gave an assignment sheet. But then we realized over the online, we are unable to keep the student on his toes. So we are giving an assignment sheet of every topic. Every assignment sheet is being discussed. For your seniors, we couldn't do so much. Right. And now after whole of this is over, we spent nearly 5 classes extra on calculus for you people. Now this guy again is pulling the class back to calculus. आगे भी बढ़ना है भाई साहब, हमें syllabus खत्म करना है. By the way, hey banda, now in this episode I forgot to ask him to switch on. Hey, camera on करो.
अक्षत अग्रवाल.
वो बंदा डिस्कनेक्ट कर लेगा, पता है मुझे, वो ऑन में
डिस्कनेक्ट कर गया क्या?
सर पक्का.
हाँ सर निकल गया
अभी भी है
मीटिंग में
सर.
से.
सर है सर है सर, अच्छा अच्छा है
दिख रहा है,
हाँ
वो
सर
चालू कर.
खोला
सर, दिख रहा है
वीडियो.
सर.
सर नहीं वो ऑन
बंद
किया
कर दिया.
हाँ अक्षय
आई मीन उसने
Sir, on
ऑन तो किया है लेकिन
हाँ
Please
सर
put some
बंद करके
other
बंद
रखा
कर
है.
दिया
सर
वापस.
सर वो
हाथ रखा
कैमरा
है उसने
डिसेबल
हाथ
करने
हटा,
चालू
हाथ हटा.
किया.
हाथ हटा
हाथ
भाई.
हटा.
बंद है.
बहुत
शक्ल
बदमाश
दिखा
है
अपनी.
यार ये सब.
शक्ल दिखाओ.
इतना क्यों डर रहा है?
ओके ओके.
अरे ऑन है कैमरा.
डिसेबल्ड भी है.
कैमरा ब्लॉक कर
अरे भाई तेरा चेहरा नहीं दिख
रखा है भाई.
सर वो
इतना
काला है
शर्म आ रहा
क्या?
तो मुंह पे एक रुमाल बांध के आ.
ओके ओके, जीने तो उसे, उसके जान मत ले.
Sir, what was the final answer of this question?
ए पूरा रब करने के बाद फाइनल आंसर पूछो. 60 सब्जेक्ट.
अप्रॉक्स रूट 41. अप्रॉक्स 41.
Now listen. Time acceleration. This is meter per second square and this is 11, this is 10. This is in seconds. Right? Particle starts from rest. Particle starts from rest. Right? Find maximum speed of the particle.
So ये assignment है.
सर असाइनमेंट
हाँ सर
असाइनमेंट में कर लिया है.
हाँ सर.
This is there in assignment.
Okay, okay. People have not done it. We'll solve it. We'll solve. Maximum speed of the particle. The reason why the question is important is every 4 years there will be one question on kinematics. ध्यान से सुनिए. जितना हम लेबर लगाए, we are investing so much on it.
Every 4 years
Every
of
4
J1.
years there will be one question on kinematics. This was asked in 2004 and a very similar question again in 2008. Right, for 2 months. So don't be under the impression that we are doing the very right thing by investing so much time on kinematics. We'll have to move a bit faster, but then we don't want to take chances. Quite a few have answered because they have done in the assignment. Okay, this was asked in 2004 for 2 marks. Okay, don't type the answers in the chat box as many of you have done. Wait a minute, let the others attempt.
So why so less weightage to kinematics?
You will by default know the answer when the other topics are taught. They will be so intricately conceptual that kinematics will become peanuts for you people.
Yes, sir.
Remember
Now
this,
we are on the third chapter.
when you go on to the other chapters in physics and specifically second year syllabus, kinematics will be a spec. Just as today for you vectors will be much easier.
Yes.
It's so very frightening. A dot product बोल रहा है, cross product बोल रहा है. Till then 2 into 2 was always 4. When vectors is introduced, we will ask you is it dot or a cross product. Student will start getting confused. Now for you vectors is peanuts.
Yes.
Yes sir.
It will happen with kinematics also.
And
Sir,
some
it is like kinematics, vectors, all this will be used in every chapter, right? Like in further 12th
right.
grade.
These will be used in all the chapters.
ये use करके हर chapter में questions आएंगे.
and some still struggling with this.
That will not be the case when the next chapters start off. When vectors was being done, then also you people felt this is something
Yes,
too big.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are
Now
saying
it's easy,
kinematics
sir.
is too big. Wait for another 10-15 days. You will find it how small it is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it happens like that.
No. Here, y is equal to mx plus c. A is equal to what is the slope? Minus 10 by 11 t plus 10.
Sir,
Right?
can you wait 2 seconds?
Okay, I'll wait.
Sir, can't you do this by that area under the graph? Just change in
We
velocity.
will, but I have to prove that. So traditionally, I'm writing the equation.
So the slope of A versus T gives jerk, right?
A versus T?
The slope, the area gives the change in velocity and the slope gives jerk.
Right. Impulse. Jerk is a colloquial language.
Yeah, it's a...
Technically, we call it impulse.
Yes.
Yes, sir, done.
No, listen. You wanted A as dV by dt. This will be minus 10 by 11 dt plus 10. Orthodoxly, this is what we should do.
Yes,
Minus 10 by 11 t dt plus 10 dt. You will integrate this. You will get the change in velocity 0. It starts from rest बोल रहे हो v at time t equal to 11 seconds. But beauty in this is you don't need to do all this. I have written traditionally because you should know what is happening. Beauty is integral a dt. This is nothing but a dt. Integral a dt. That's what. This is acceleration. You brought dt to the right. What is this? This into dt is integral a dt. A dt will be the change in velocity. I'm aware of it. And this will be area under the curve. Area under the curve and above the x-axis. So technically, I don't need to do this integration. If you are able to see that a dt will be this area. Area under the curve and above the x-axis. I don't want to remember, I don't want to think of area. Blindly, I will go by the mathematics of it. Right, y equal to mx plus c. A is dv by dt. Take dt to the right and integrate. Integral t dt is not difficult for you. Integral dt is also not difficult for you. This is nothing but a dt. This is acceleration. Bring dt to the right. You integrate. It is as good as area under the curve and above the x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Either you calculate the area if you are able to see through it or go by the traditional procedure. Answer should be 55 meters per second.
हाँ sir.
Sir, so before solving evaluation, we can just multiply the units and see that under the, if you don't want to remember, then we can.
हाँ sir, वही.
ADT, that is what tells you the units about it.
Sir, if it was a A versus displacement graph, like acceleration versus displacement, the area will be integration v dx, right? V dv, right?
V dv and then ds will be taken to the right.
Yes, sir.
Now, till now you dealt with all straight lines because you knew the general equations of straight lines. Can I give you one question which is not a straight line graph?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was asked in the national level Olympiad in 2008 or 9. INPHO. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The problem is slightly tricky. Not that I expect you people to solve. The reason for that is this is not a straight line. Velocity is given as t minus 1 into t minus 2 of a particle. Right? Find the distance traveled in the first 2 seconds. Find the distance traveled in t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds.
So is it t minus I?
T minus 1 into t minus 2.
Okay, sir.
So distance or
सर
displacement?
एक्सरसाइज 4 जैसे क्वेश्चंस हैं सब तो कैलकुलस एक्सरसाइज 4
नहीं, this question is not there in exercise. Calculus
no
may
sir
be
it's like that calculus exercise
very
4
similar to it. I'll give you one hint. I'll draw the graph of this on Desmos. For you
Sir, don't give a hint.
सर 2 मिनट
सर 2 मिनट के बाद
Give a hint after 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait.
हाँ सर देख ला.
हाँ सर देखा सर
Yes, sir.
I'll first show you people the graph.
Just give us 2 minutes, sir.
This is the graph for y equal to t minus 1 into t minus. I'll give you 2 minutes, no hurry. So I just gave you a hint. But this is velocity time graph, not speed time graph. This is velocity time graph. Carefully observe one
Yes,
small
sir.
part of the
Understood.
graph
Oh,
comes
yes, sir, yes, sir.
underneath the x-axis.
Sir, are you checking the answers?
Wait, there are quite a few people who typed. I could respond only to few of them. Wait a minute. The answer is 1 meter. People who got 1 meter, you have got the correct answer. Okay, listen. Firstly, this is the graph. I wish I could draw it well. I'll make it a bit amplified. Arey yaar. This is time, this is velocity, this is 1 and 2, right? This will be 2 in meters per second. So far, so good. Now, if you people recollect, from 0 to 2 seconds, if you ask me for the displacement, it would have been this area minus this area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I ask for distance, what will happen? I should add this.
Add both the areas.
Just for your understanding, how do I draw the speed time graph?
Sir, we'll take the negative and we'll flip it up.
You just take the negative up.
Just reflect
Yes.
it upwards.
So that is a mod function.
This is a mod function, right? Speed time graph, if I take this area plus this area is my distance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this understanding
Yes.
clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, technically, what will the student do for this? ds by dt, they will take t minus 1 into t minus 2. They will take dt to the right and integrate. They will be committing one mistake.
Why, sir?
Sir, we get
Why, sir?
displacement.
When you integrate this directly, you will get the subtraction of these two areas, not the addition. You have one part
Yes, sir.
below the x-axis.
Oh.
This area minus, if I do this directly this way, the reason why National Olympiad people gave this is, if I directly go from 0 to 2 seconds, what will be the mistake in my problem? This will be equal to this area minus this area. I'll call this A1, I'll call this A2. This answer will be A1 minus A2, and that's not what I want. I
Yes,
didn't
sir.
ask for displacement, I asked for
Yes, sir.
Distance.
Distance.
Then what am I supposed to do? Observe this carefully. ds is equal to t t minus 1 into t minus 2, or I'll write the other step also. This will be integral b dt 0 to 1
Yes, sir.
plus integral mod b dt 1 to 2.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand why we have done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, remove the minus.
1 to 2, I want the graph to come above.
Yes.
I
Yes, sir.
know velocity
Yes.
is negative. Put a negative sign in front of it. It will become positive. I am taking mod of the function. Right? Till here, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now this will be integral of t minus 1 into t minus 2 dt 0 to 1 second plus, sorry, minus integral of t minus 1 into t minus 2 from 1 to 2 seconds. Hope
Yes,
that
yes,
part
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
Whole of the catch is in putting this negative sign. Why did you put the negative sign? You took mod. Why did you take the mod? Because they want the speed. Why do you want the speed? Question
Because
asked,
you want
what
the
is
Distance.
this?
Yes, sir.
Multiply this, integrate. You are supposed to get 1 meter, and I'm waiting for this.
Sir, can you explain again why you took minus in that
You
RHS?
take speed. This is coming underneath. If I directly integrate, I will get A1 minus A2.
Yes, sir,
This
displacement.
area I am getting negative, but I want the positive value of it. Only then I will get the distance.
Yes, sir.
So because you already are getting that to be negative from 1 to 2, you will take negative of negative, making it positive.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, we are given a function of velocity in time. So if we differentiate that, we'll get displacement, and from that can't we get the distance?
Yes, sir. Even I was thinking.
Suppose you get displacement. उससे distance कैसा calculate? Displacement मिल गया आपको.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
what
for
you
find.
have to do? Listen. Then you will have to do two things. कर सकते हो.
Yes.
Displacement you got from 1 to 2. Now again do the integration from 0 to 1.
Yes, sir.
You know the total displacement. You know displace this area, or I am putting it this way. You got E1 minus 8.
Yes, sir. We can obtain A2
And you
separate.
can calculate 0 to 1. You will get A1.
Yes,
sir. Two equations, find A2.
A2.
Yes.
Then we can
Then add A1
A1.
and A2.
Add
Then we do
Lamba
A1 plus
padega
A2.
na yaar, here just taking a mod, you are getting the answer in one step.
Sir, but if we calculate the function of displacement, for that we have to differentiate that velocity, na? We won't integrate it.
नहीं, why differentiate करके फिर integrate करोगे same function पर आ जाओगे.
वही तो.
क्यों? आप जब you are finding out A1 minus A2, you are getting displacement. I am okay with it. Now 0 to 1 calculate karo integration. You will get A1. Subtract, you will get A2. Now A1 plus A2 is your answer.
Okay, sir.
Sir, so in every question, do we need to check whether the graph is above x-axis or below x-axis just to make sure?
100% you need to check this.
Just to make sure that we are doing
Yeah,
correct.
integrated directly from 0 to 2, I'll get A1 minus A2. अगर
Yes,
उसने
sir.
displacement पूछा तो my problem is over there. If you would have asked displacement, this is my answer. But you asked for distance.
Sir, it is similar to that 1D motion wala when it deaccelerates and takes a turn, kind of like.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, but without a graphing calculator, we'll have to find the roots of the equation and then draw the graph ourselves, right? Okay.
Actually, I did it on Desmos to show you people that easily.
Yes, sir.
Once the mathematics people cover conics, this drawing graph is a child's paper.
Sir, we
Yes,
have
sir,
been
we have
taught this.
covered it. We can use
We been taught this. We have
definitely.
completed quadratic.
This graph is not a big deal for the students. You'll be able to do it very easily.
Yes, okay, sir.
So, you said the speed time graph was a certain function's representation. Which function did you mention?
Somebody help me remember what
Sir,
it
it
is.
was a mod.
A mod function.
Mod का function.
Mod. Okay, thank you.
So can you give us some more catch wale questions?
Actually, this topic will be very selective here. इसमें problems नहीं मिलेंगे, but let me search. Give me 1 day of time.
Okay, sir.
Such type of catches very rarely we get, very few. But let me see.
Okay, sir.
So 1 minute.
Sir, there could be one another method as well, right?
Bolo.
Sir, we could first find out that like at what point the velocity will be turn 0, and then we'll get 2 points, and then we can find the distance traveled between them using like
Alpha
this.
minus beta क्या मतलब?
Sir,
Subtraction
I
of
have a
B.
doubt.
But then उसके बीच आपको acceleration calculate करना पड़ेगा, differentiating. Only then
Oh,
you will
yes,
be
sir.
able to calculate
Yes, sir.
this.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, sir, I did this by taking the V. The time points are given that t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2. So I substituted I substituted the value of time in that equation. V is equal to t minus 1 to t minus 2. Sir, so I got two
Wait, which
velocities.
equation? Last word which you said, which equation?
Sir, in this equation which was given to us, b is equal to yes, sir. In this
Okay.
equation, I substituted the values of t, sir. So I got two velocities, sir. So one was 0 and one was 2. So I found out the acceleration between them because the time is given 2 seconds. And the
Acceleration is
change
not
in velocity.
constant, I guess.
But that will be an
Velocity is the
average.
function
That
of
will be
time.
average.
Acceleration is not constant.
Velocity is a function of time. If you differentiate, get acceleration, that won't be constant.
Sir, and
Acceleration
we
is
get
equal to
average
t minus
acceleration,
3.
not
Sir?
instantaneous.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
can I
can I
ask a
have the
question?
board?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this problem and the problems we did before, acceleration is not constant. So we can't use the 3 formulas, right? We'll have to use calculus.
Yes,
If
yes.
acceleration is not constant, you have to use calculus.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, 1 second. There is one problem I want to discuss from the assignment. What was the latest assignment assigned? Graphs, right?
Graphs.
Graph.
Yes, sir. Graphs assignment.
Yes. Now, 23rd question. 23rd question. I assume all of you attempted the question. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
15 मिनट लगे ये वाला सोचने में.
So, but could not do.
Now, let me explain this to you people. I can stop the screen share.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me redraw the graph. 23rd question from your assignment. This is what x, this is time. For a displacement time graph, this is 2, this is 5, This is A. Right? Not worried about it. How will I get instantaneous velocity? Draw a tangent to the curve at that point. Slope of that line will be instantaneous velocity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instantaneous velocity will be ds by dt. You should draw a tangent. Now, from here, let me draw a tangent which will touch this way. This value will be tan theta. Here, the instantaneous velocity will be tan theta. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, the instantaneous velocity will be tan theta. Right? The instantaneous velocity at this instant will be tan theta. Tan theta will be instantaneous velocity. Agreed? Now, what is the other thing that they asked? 666. Are you people able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Able to hear.
Find the time at which instantaneous velocity is equal to the average velocity. What should be the average velocity? Average velocity will be total displacement by total time. Now have a look at it. In this situation, this is the displacement. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
time. Please see the moment of the marker. 0 to, I'll call it t. 0 to t is the time. This height, I'll call it h. Can I call it h by t, average velocity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is h by t equal to tan theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So at this time, can I claim instantaneous velocity and average velocity is the same?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Average velocity is total displacement by time. In this time interval, the displacement is h. So h by t is tan theta, and instantaneous velocity here is also tan theta. So both of them are the same in this time interval 0 to t. That's what was asked.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, how do I
Yes,
find out this time here? If this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, this is theta.
Theta. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now radius is 3, so this is 3.
The similarity.
Yes.
yes.
अब उसके बाद plane geometry आपको जो मन में आए करो. Once you know the angles, use trigonometry, plane geometry, similar triangles, length of the chord, जो चाहिए कर लो, मुझे time चाहिए.
Sir,
Right? In this particular time, at this instant, instantaneous velocity is tan theta. And in this time, average velocity is total displacement by total time. So total displacement is h divided by t, and that is also tan theta. Both are the same. So he wants this time t within which instantaneous and average velocity are the same.
sir,
Hello.
we don't have to find out the average velocity through the motion.
He wants the time interval in which average velocity is equal to instantaneous velocity. Which time
Okay.
interval? 0 to t is also tan theta. Instantaneous velocity is also the same tan theta. So I want this
Yes,
time.
sir. Okay, sir. What I did, I calculated the velocity throughout, the average velocity throughout, and it came out to be 0. And then I was finding the instantaneous velocity where
Average velocity
the
zero
velocity is
आपको
0.
कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत है नहीं, दिख रहा है
तुमको
total
पता चल
displacement 2
Yes,
and 8
sir.
पर
उसी point
displacement
पे घूम
same
के
होगा,
वापस आ जा रहा है.
0 हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if we try to plot the motion of the like the particle, it will not necessarily be a circle, right? Because it can be anything over here.
This is displacement. not the position time.
They have specifically mentioned.
Sir, position diagram, time graph लिखा है
They
उसमें.
specifically
Oh,
mentioned
no,
semicircle.
then it is circular track only.
Okay, sir.
Sir, so if position time graph is mentioned, then I can't calculate average velocity throughout the motion.
It will turn out to be 0. That is not the question that they ask. Their question is
Okay,
different.
Okay, sir.
If they give you the same and ask you what is the average velocity from 2 to 8, my answer is 0. Nothing wrong in it.
Okay, sir.
So overall displacement is 0, right? Because it's
Naturally, it's
Okay.
starting from here, it's coming back till here. Displacement is on the x-axis.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So the average velocity is 0. So sir, can't we find a time at which the instantaneous velocity becomes 0, and that will be the time?
Instantaneous
But that's not
velocity
asked. I
is
did the same.
instantaneous velocity is 0 at this point only.
Yes, sir. So that's why I reported 5 seconds. But then I came to know that it is not asking for that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now listen, all of you. Tomorrow's doubt lecture will be only on assignment 3 of projectile motion and graphs. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
Now,
The book.
tomorrow I'll try to send some more questions on graphs. Maybe what you ask for, few traps like this. Searching them will be a bit difficult for me from different sources, but agar 4-5 bhi mil gaya, I'll send you the pics of that.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Next class, I will be introducing relative velocity. That
Yes,
will be
sir.
on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Right? Then we will go into concept of relative velocity in projectile motion and then calculus based problems. Another 3 lectures, we will be almost done with kinematics.
The Rain Man questions.
Isn't relative velocity. River
Okay.
boat problems, rain man
River swimmer and
problems,
rain man problem.
all this will come in relative
So
velocity.
graphs is over today.
Almost.
So, sir, we'll be done with kinematics in 3-4 lectures.
Yes.
Including the
Kinematics
calculus
2, I
part
guess.
with varying acceleration.
We have clubbed kinematics 1 and 2. Projectile motion of inclined planes, we bought it to in the front. Generally, kinematics,
Yes,
they keep projectile. We
Sir-
finished it in one go.
So sir, next chapter will be NLM.
MLI.
Yes.
Oh my God.
तब मजा आएगा.
Before that, errors and measurements.
अच्छा, हाँ sir, वो रह गया था.
It will be the chapter of
Errors and dimensions, errors and measurements are small, silly, boring, but they are very useful. You cannot neglect them. So errors and
Sure, so
measurements
will you
are-
be sending something new today?
यार बोलने नहीं देते हो यार.
Sorry, sir.
No point. Chalo, we'll see tomorrow.
Sir.
Sir, in this question, can you explain why instantaneous velocity is tan theta?
अरे एक बंदा
एक बोलो यार.
कुछ समझ
Sir, you are
नहीं
leaving us
Sir,
today
in this question.
10 minutes early.
हाँ, एक और
Yes,
बार
yes,
बोलो.
yes.
और 4.
सब लोग साथ में चिल्ला दो, क्या कर रहे हो?
और 4 बंदे आ जाओ.
Booklet of units and dimensions is left. Why I didn't give you homework from booklet for units and dimensions is units and dimensions and errors and measurements are combined. Let me complete errors. Booklet बताऊंगा मैं आपको. Booklet of kinematics I will let you know. Let me finish relative velocity. I will give you homework from it.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
assignment.
So today no more homework.
Sir, I had a doubt, but you
आज
haven't taught
specific
me.
homework नहीं है. Complete the graphs. Tomorrow I will discuss assignment 3 of projectiles and
Yes, sir.
graphs.
Thank you, sir. So
Sir,
tomorrow
I had
you
a doubt
discuss
on
the
this
whole
slide,
graph
sir. Thank
assignment
you.
or only half?
Assignment
Full graph assignment.
Full graph assignment.
बहुत कम होंगे. Graphs में बहुत कम होंगे. कल तो खत्म करना ही है.
Yes, sir. It's a
Okay,
15
so till
minutes
24
assignment,
we have
sir.
to do.
Sir,
Sir, in chapter के
exercise
2-3
was
question
also
बाकी
there.
थे. And
All of you stop the mics for some time. Don't talk. जो है सो है. Don't ask me the question.
Sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Switch off the mic बोला मैंने. Bye. Good day.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.